Short-terming speaks to what Americans must do to get our mojo back economically, to make America great again by first making capitalism great again. Forget high finance, computerized stock trading, casinos, high-profile luxury hotel deals, and the like. You know, the sorts of business deals defining Donald Trump's career. Forget rigging and gaming schemes as false routes to making America better. These are short-term facades, not unlike the metaphor of rearranging deck chairs on the Titanic. Where ought a revitalizing path for American capitalism lead? It should start with a common vision and the world in which we want future generations to live and to grow. Then it should rethink the rate of profit, the reward to holding capital, and distinguish it from the reward to mere rigging and gaming schemes. It's about moving away from merely tethering the plow horse by the door solely for the pleasure of the farmer's family, instead toward securing the horse again, metaphorically, in a productive role, in the field, pulling the plow. You're connected to Zombienomics,